Hello everyone, I'm teacher Jocelyn. For today's lesson, we're going to learn parts of the flowers. Parts of the flowers. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. Flower is the most beautiful part of plants. The role of the flower is to reproduce and create new plants. The role of the flower is to reproduce and create new plants. The flower has four major parts. The flower has four major parts. We have petal, petal, pistil, pistil, stamen, stamen, sepal, sepal. The four major parts of the flower are petal, pistil, stamen, sepal. Now let's continue with sepal. Sepal. Sepals are green in color. Sepals are green in color. The sepal role is to protect the flower in bud. The sepal role is to protect the flower in bud. Petals. Petals. Petals are bright and colorful parts of a flower. Petals are bright and colorful parts of flower. Their role is to protect the pistil and the stamen when the flower is young. Their role is to protect the pistil and the stamen when the flower is young. Their function is to attract bees and butterflies which help in pollination. Their function is to attract bees and butterflies which help in pollination. Now let's proceed with stamen. Stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive part of flower. Stamen is the male reproductive part of flower. Stamen has two parts. We have anther and filament. Anther, filament. When we say anther, are knob-like structure which produce pollens. Anther are knob-like structure which produce pollens. Filaments. Filaments attach to the base of flower at the bottom and hold the anther at the top. Filaments attach to the base of the flower at the bottom and holds anther at the top. Pollens are male gametes. Pollens are male gametes. Now let's continue with pistil. Pistil. Pistil is the female reproductive part of flower. Pistil is the female reproductive part of flower. Pistil has three parts. We have ovary, style, and stigma. Ovary, style, stigma. When we say stigma, is a sticky knob-like structure. It is present at the top of tube-like structure called style. Stigma is a sticky knob-like structure. It is present at the top of tube-like structure called style. Style leads to ovary. Style leads to ovary. Ovary contains female eggs or cell called ovules. Ovary contains female egg or cell called ovules. Now let's review what are the four major parts of the flower. First, what part of the flower is it? Okay, petals. Next we have, what part of the flower is it? Sepal. Stamen. And the last one, what part of the flower is it? Okay, pistil. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you understand our lesson for today. See you again to our next video. Bye!